Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the Household Monthly Expense Budget template in Google Sheets. This tool helps you track income, manage expenses, and keep an eye on savings, all in one simple system. If you've been looking for a clear way to organize your household finances, this template is exactly what you need. The template is built around three main sheets: data, where you set up your list of expense items; list of expenses, where you record your daily spending; budget, where you see planned versus actual numbers, and a full monthly summary. Let's start with the data sheet. Here you add expense items that belong to categories. For example, housing, rent, utilities, entertainment, books, concerts, transport, fuel, tickets, insurance, health, car, food, groceries, dining, education, school, courses, pets, food, vet care. These items will later appear in drop-downs, so you can quickly select them when logging expenses. Next, the List of Expenses sheet. This is your daily log. Each row captures the date, item, category, amount, company, and notes. For example, on September 2nd, you might enter books, entertainment, $12, Amazon. As you keep adding entries, the template automatically groups them by category and prepares totals for the budget sheet. Now, the budget sheet. At the top, you'll enter your planned income and planned expenses for the month. For income, you can list multiple sources: salary, side hustle, rental income, or investments. Then, record the actual income you receive. For expenses, you only enter the planned numbers. Actual expenses flow in automatically from the list of expenses. For example, if you planned $1,500 for transport but actually logged $1,094, the sheet shows the difference instantly. The same happens across all categories, so you can clearly see where you're overspending or saving. Finally, we have summary charts. Pie charts show how your income is divided among sources and how your spending is distributed across categories. For instance, you might notice that food takes 18% of your monthly spending, while entertainment is only 6%. This template is for anyone who wants better control over personal finances. It's perfect for students trying to stretch their allowance, young families planning monthly expenses, or anyone who wants a practical system without complicated software. And the best part? It's free. Just copy the template to your own Google Sheets, start filling in your income and expenses, and everything updates automatically. No registration, no extra setup. So, if you're ready to take charge of your household budget, click the link in the description, download your copy, and start using the Household Monthly Expense Budget template